here, Daddy?
Huh?
You walk over here.
I suppose. But then you wouldn't be able to help me belch the alphabet. You want to help me belch the alphabet?
Yeah.
Alright, well come here. Are you ready?
Yeah.
H. You don't want me to belch the alphabet?
No.
See, that was Z.
What?
Was that crazy? Hmm?
You do it again.
Do it again.
Yeah.